This is the only time that he's brave. Sick him, Schultze. Sick him. Sick him. Who's out there? Who's out there, Schultze? Who's out there? Are you ready to eat? Check this out. Everybody come sit. Everybody come sit. Oh, treat time. That was mean, huh? Give him a treat. Give him a treat. Oh, oh. Get it, get it. All right. Well, I don't know if that was worth waking you up for, but that was pretty funny. Act 2. Schultze dreams. You can say his name. You can tell him to sick him and get him, and he doesn't respond. But when you say, everybody come sit. The treat call. He hears that in the depths of his dreams. You got more, he says? All right. Act 3. Sleeping like a baby. I'll say his name. Tell him to sick him. He won't move. It's that all-important phrase to our entire pack of dogs here that motivates. He's got his sleeping buddy behind him. Schultze, get it. What's out there? Sick him. Get him, Schultze. Get him, Schultze. Schultze. All right. Here we go. Everybody come sit.
You want me to move?
Here. You're supposed to be over here with the treat. Everybody come sit.
Daisy.
Everybody come sit. That was it. That was Sally. There you go. Oh, I know. Sally says, where's mine? Sally. Here, Molly. Sit. You gotta sit first. You gotta sit, good girl. Daisy, you gotta sit. Sit.
She's halfway
No,
sitting.
sit. You gotta sit all the way. Good girl.
There she is.
All right, go back to bed, you two. Go back to bed.